Alright, good morning, first grade. It is time for history. Now, before we take our first airplane trip traveling from country to country, we have to first know our seven continents because some of the countries will be along these in one of these seven continents. Alright, so we have North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Australia, Africa, Antarctica. We're going to go over it one more time. We have North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Australia, Africa, and Antarctica. So make sure you know these seven continents because you will see them again very soon. Our first stop is Canada, our neighbor to the north. So, can you turn your books to page 70? Turn in your history books to page 70 so we can read about beautiful Canada. We can drop to Canada. There is a very special place that is shared by Canada and the United States. It is Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is partly in the United States and partly in Canada. Toronto is the largest city in Canada. Canadian cities look very much like the cities in the United States, with tall buildings and busy streets. The flag of Canada is easy to recognize because of the bright red maple leaf in the middle. Some police officers in Canada are called Mounties. Many years ago, these police officers wore hats and bright red jackets. The job of the Mounties is to protect and help the people the same way police officers do in the United States. Now, here are some additional facts that we do have about Canada. Canada has two official languages, English and French. Now, water from Niagara Falls flows from Great Lakes to St. Lawrence Seaway. And if you look on page 70, that tower, that's the CN Tower. It is one of the tallest buildings in the world. It's over 1,815 feet tall. That's a very tall building right there. Also, if you look on 71, the maple leaf turns red in the fall. So that's why that's one of the famous things, maple syrup in Canada. Early settlers used sap for the maple trees to make syrup. And let's talk about the Royal Canadian Mounted Police, also known as the Mounties. They rode horses, and as you can see in their uniform, the old uniform of hats had the bright red jackets, and sometimes they wore them on special occasions.